Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel CK. We are going to solve or derive an equation for angle between two planes. So let's get started. Here, first of all, we will write let the two planes P1 and P2 be given by equation A1x plus B1y plus C1z plus D equal to 0 and is for P1. So for next A2x plus B2y plus C2z plus D equal to 0. If you are putting A1, B1, C1, so D1 we can put, yes, D1 equal to 0, D2 equal to 0. Name them equation 2. Now, here it is a P1, it is a P2. As you seen on the screen. Now, let two planes intersect in the line L. Line L and let N1 and N2 be normal to the two plane. Here is N1 and here is N2. Are you seeing on the screen? Now let theta be the angle between two planes. So therefore therefore the direction cosines of normals to the two planes are plus minus fractional bar then a1 under root a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square. Put the comma here plus minus b1 under square a1 square b1 square plus c1 square again plus minus, put comma here for c1 fractional bar, same expression a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square. It is for equation 1 which we have taken a1x b1y c1z plus d equal to 0. For a2x plus b2x b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0, what will be the expression? So let's to write, and a2 it also contain plus minus there a1 square b1 square, so it is wrong. So what can we write? A2 by under square root a2 square b2 square c2 square comma for b2 that is plus minus under square root a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square comma plus minus for c2 under square root a2 square b2 square plus c2 square. These are the expression of equation 1, equation 2. So can we write here? Therefore, cos theta is given by cos theta equal to plus minus a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 divided by under square root a1 square b1 square plus c1 square into a2 square b2 square c2 square. This equation for cos theta we will apply it to find the angle between two planes. It is very useful. So you can see where the sign is so chosen that cos theta is positive. Sign will take positive while we are going to find angles between two planes. Thank you. Have a nice day to all of you. Meet again in next session.